Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the anchor block assembly for the Dormatic 2390 exit device. This is an item that is not published in the parts list. There is a link down below this video to the parts list. And I'm looking at it here on my screen. It's yeah, okay. It's not listed anywhere. And upon further review with the factory, it was determined as a part that we could get our hands on. And in the parts drawing, you do see it referred to on the back of the chassis. And there are some smaller cropped images that will show you what that looks like. Okay. Client called and said, you know, one of these have broken, and can I get another one? And I, pulling up the parts manual, no, it's not referred to at all. And contact the factory and said, you know, can it be purchased? It's a loose part when you purchase the item. And indeed, they were able to oblige us. So that was really great. The client was able to purchase an item that was just a handful of dollars rather than a handful of a couple $100. Okay? Some basic dimensional properties I'm going to give you. When everything is threaded to its minimum, well, if you've got a 2390 and you need the anchor block, here it is. The dimensions aren't going to really tell you much beyond what you already know. Overall height, about 3 1/8. The width, about 1/2 of an inch. The total projection looks like it's about 1/2 of an inch as well. You know, opposite left-right type threads that are happening here to get that installed. And this video is really just going to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Okay. That parts diagram that is listed down below will allow you to review all of the serviceable products that are certainly listed from the manufacturer originally. So that's helpful. If you're rebuilding a unit, you'll be able to pull the rest of those part numbers from that document. And hopefully this image and video will help you determine that this is or is not the item that you need to solve the problem that you have with the device. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Dormatic products that we sell, might be branded as Falcon now. I know it as Dormatic. That link below this video to the manufacturer's page will allow you to review all of the Dormatic or Falcon products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Block.103 anchor block assembly for the 2390 or any other Dormatic product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.